Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your files. Copy game user settings. Ini and game. Ini to a backup folder. Once done, close the game and confirm the server process is stopped so files aren't locked. Next, navigate to shootergame/saved/config/Windows no editor or your dedicated server config path. This is where Ini entries live. Don't waste time debating tools. Open the Ini with Notepad++ or any text editor now, and prepare to remove the specific lines you no longer want. You should now remove the targeted Ini entries carefully. Find the exact key or section name and delete only those lines so you don't break other settings. Make sure section headers remain intact. Improper brackets or stray characters will cause parsing errors. Once edited, scan for duplicate entries and inconsistent spacing, then save the file using UTF-8 without BOM. If permissions block saving, take ownership or run your editor as administrator, so changes persist the next time ARK. You finish by restarting the game or server and verifying the removal in-game or via server logs. This confirms the engine read the new Ini. If settings revert, make sure launch parameters or server startup scripts aren't rewriting the Ini, and check Workshop mods or Steam Cloud sync as common culprits. If something goes wrong, restore your dated backup copy and reapply edits carefully. One key troubleshooting tip: if entries keep coming back, disable Cloud Sync and inspect startup scripts before editing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.